Going to be a swimming pool. It's a bird. Lovely. The Andean condor. Oh, Andean condor. Is that a scratch? No, it's not. Good. Well done. Vultures in the house. Let's go. Oh yes. And now it's actually starting to become a reality. It's quite exciting. We've got to see if we can get the projector working. It's always one of these things that you don't leave much time for, and then it takes hours to sort out. I'm making a decision. I'm deciding whether to. I've got 500 sticky dots. Okay. I'm deciding whether to put some of these pictures up on the back or just leave them on the table. So, because this looks nice, I don't know whether we need it on the back. It's just a white board, and they're white boards over there, so it's expected. I'm going to leave it. I'm leaving it. If Lady Nade's playing here, acoustic guitar, we need some seats. So the bar is going to be here, and maybe a few seats here for people to relax. So all of the pictures from this side of the room are taken in Sutton Pool, and I've got some information boards here. So, where should we put them? Decisions.
You're making a scene.
You're making a scene.
Don't make a scene.
Lady Nade is not interested in your phone call to somebody else.
I'm sorry about all this. No, seriously, this isn't the place to be like grinding your axe.
Wasn't her singing beautiful?
The singing was beautiful. Well, I was just dealing with it. It was an important call. It was an important call. What am I supposed to do?
You take the call.
Exactly, I should take the call. Thank you. No. Don't get up on your high horse. You haven't got a clue, have you? You come in here, giving it all that.
And you're not actually listening to what's being sung.
I was listening. She was getting to the. was a natural end to the song. I thought I'd just quickly take a call, and no one would have known.
What you basically want is for everyone to get involved.
No one would have known if you had just buttoned your lip. You can't, can you?
Just stop it. Stop.
I tell you what, why don't you wrap up, and let Lady Nade.
No one has to see it anymore.
Lady Nade's got a song to sing.
It was fate that brought us here. It was love that brought us near. I miss you.